Welcome back to the Mod Addict. So my eye is doing so much better. It's still sensitive to light, but yeah, it's doing better. I can hold it open. The day after the video, my eye was swelled completely shut and matted up, and I could not open it. But I kept washing it and everything else. But that is not what today's video is about. I don't even know how today's video is even going to turn out, because I'm going to try to install this billet blow-off valve I have on my power dyne here. I don't know what the spring is even rated at. I don't even know if it's going to work, but we're going to give it a try. I wanted some noises coming from this, and I'm not getting the noises that I want. Alright, sorry about that. I had a phone call. Alright, so this is the billet blow-off valve. I did hook the vacuum line up to see that it'll open it, so I do know I got that much. Here is the line going to it, and here's the factory Bosch blow-off valve. So I'm going to go ahead and get that off and get this figured out. Now this kit for this blow-off valve it does have a block-off. So this is recirculating. That's going to vent to atmosphere. I'm on Terminator X. It uses a map sensor, so that is not going to matter one bit. Alright, so this actually went a lot easier than I thought it was going to. So there it is. Vacuum line hooked up. Block off plate hooked up. I'm going to start it, and before, when I revved it or anything, I didn't get any blow-off valve sound. I'd never heard a blow-off valve sound at all out of this plastic piece right here. So I don't know if I want to hear anything out of that, but let's give it a try. Alright, so I don't hear a difference, but it seems a little bit more responsive for some reason. Let's see. It's working. Just don't make the big swishy noise that I want it to make, but oh well. As I've mentioned a few hundred times, one of the best things about a rattle can paint job is it ain't gonna matter if you put the brush on it. I'll be pretty much up here to hear the cam. It's at right 850 RPMs. Yeah. If anybody has a wiper relay module they got laying around that they don't want a crazy amount for, that'd be this thing right here. My bad. I took it apart and cleaned it, but my wipers, that's low, that's high. Now let's go to the intermediate. See how it stops? Stop. It pauses on low. It don't even go on low. See that? Oh, it's stuck. A little bit. Oh, there we go. See what it does? So I have to bring it all the way, put it on low, and then let it drop down and turn it off. So yeah, it didn't turn out the way I wanted it to, but it is an upgraded blow-off valve. It does seem to be a little bit more responsive, if that makes any sense. I don't know. Maybe it's a tougher spring and it opens a little bit later, so I'm on a little bit more boost. I really don't know. I wish I could tell you, but it's on, and yeah, there we are. So this is not a very crazy video. I do have draggy and stuff coming up. Trust me. I just went all the way to Georgia till graduation. I'm dealing with my eye. I have award ceremonies on Wednesday, so things are just really hectic right now. So with that being said, this is the Mod Addict. We're going to keep on modding, so y'all please keep on watching. One more thing I forgot. So a subscriber by the name of Tristan, he's been a long time subscriber. He's one of the most dedicated subscribers I have. He watches every video, he comments. He commented, hey, I wonder, since you tighten up the steering rack, if that fixed the noise, because my steering rack was really loose. I don't know if y'all caught the front end alignment video. And I said, the noise is still there, but I think it's something else. I think I got an idea. After that, I got to thinking, I never checked that noise after I tightened the rack. So today, backing it out, I purposely backed up, pulled forward, backed up, pulled forward. The clunk noise is gone. And that was the noise. It was rocking left and right so hard. I tightened it down, and like I said, I went over the little ledge there of the carport. That's where I usually heard the noise. Several times, never heard it. Backed all the way over there, never got any clunks or anything. Fingers crossed that that's what it was the rack was loose. I don't know why I left it loose. I know I mocked up everything and then went back and after doing the camera and everything, but maybe I just overlooked it. Maybe they loosened up. I don't know. It's tight now, I can guarantee you that. But yeah, I did not hear the noise, and I'm super excited of that. So Tristan, thanks for pointing that out. Because, you know, I wouldn't have thought twice about it. Just one day I'd have pulled out and not heard the noise and be like, huh, I wonder what fixed it. Thank you. Car's kind of loud and the lighting's kind of terrible, but just put it in reverse, no clunk, backing up, let's see. Just went off the lip, no clunk whatsoever. Put it in forward. No clunk. Going back over the little bump. No clunk. Clunk is fixed. So yeah, everything is looking great. Like I said, kind of disappointed the blow-off valve didn't really do anything, but I'm going to be driving this car very soon, and I am so excited.
I won't turn around, I done made it this far. Look back now, that wouldn't be too smart. Shoot for the stars even when it gets hard. Put my faith in the Lord with the 16 bars. I won't turn around, I done made it this far. Look back now, that wouldn't be too smart. Shoot for the stars even when it gets hard. Put my faith in the Lord with the 16 bars. I won't turn around, I won't turn around.